Boy, look at all the bait out there. Wow. See lots of bait right out there outside of my casting area. I'm gonna cast right over here and see if I can't catch some. You can see all the fins in the water right there. There's lots of bait there. And this water ain't probably 10 inches deep. I'm gonna go right down here off the point and see if I can't catch some. I just need one or two. I see a few right there. I just need a few just for catfishing. Maybe just one. Cut him up. I don't think I can throw that far, but I'm gonna try. Let's get a little top on it, boy. Good to go. Not close. Pushed them on out farther. I didn't bring any boots to wade out there. Tempted to take off my shoes and socks and walk out there. Just see if I can't get a little closer. They're working their way over here. I don't think I can reach them. We'll try it anyway. There's a couple here close. Let's see what we can do. Nope. Here comes the one down the bank. All I need is one. One that I can throw my net over. Try to keep you from looking at too much at the sun here. Got him. Threw it over him. Up, he might have got out. I see him taking off. I think he might have got away. 4 or 5 right here. See if I can get a throw over them. They're close enough. All I need is one. I got 3 in it. See if I can spin in it. Perfect. See what I got here. Pull it over here, away from the edge. Well, I thought I had one in there, but I didn't get any. All I need is one. All right, guys, so ain't gonna be able to catch them like that. Take my shoes, take my socks off, roll up my pants legs, wade out there and see if I can't get some. If I can just get close, I can make it work. And I know it's going to be cold, but here we go. Probably going to be slick too. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's ease out there. Down here below the dam, and I'm wading out here. Maybe get some shad. And these are all close. A whole bunch of them right there. That time, you can see, I caught a few. Just a few, I don't need very many. Do you need any while I'm at it? You don't need any? I don't need this many. I'm just gonna get a couple. I had to wade out there to get close enough.
What you get it for?
Do what?
What you get it for?
What am I catching them for? I'm gonna catfish.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down on the other end and catfish. I'm just gonna get rid of some of these and throw them back. I don't need this many. I don't even need this many. I just need a couple. Let them go. Do what? Yeah, I'll use them as cut bait. Well, good. You can see, perfect size for cut bait. Throw my net back in. Go get my shoes back on. Well, that's how you do it. You can see them all out there teaming, and you might have to wait out there to throw the net over them.